What's up, y'all? Welcome to the channel. Thank you for tuning back into my channel, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be giving you my top 10 beauty items from 2023. With me saying this, that does not mean that these products necessarily came out in 2023, but these are the products that I gravitate towards when it comes to doing my makeup in 2023. So these are my top 10. I'm going to share it with y'all. If y'all like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this, and let's get into it. Honestly, I know this didn't come out in 2023. This came out a while ago, but I still use it to this day to use my brows, and I just love the way that my brows turn out. This is the Instant Lift Brow Pencil. This is the Instant Lift Brow Pencil from e.l.f. Cosmetics. I use the shade Deep Brown. I've gone through a number of these throughout the years. This has been out for a while, like I said, but you just twist it up and y'all hear that click? I don't want to do it too much, but I'm almost out of this. I think I have a newer one in there somewhere, but it's got the spoolie on one side. It's got this on the other side. I don't necessarily like using a brush to do my brows, so this is simple and effective. I think this is like $3. And yeah, I've tried like the brow pomades and all that. I just, it's okay, but, and it's affordable. It's affordable and it's effective. So I stick with this, yeah? Next is the Anti-Gravity Mascara from Milani. I'm actually wearing this on my lashes right now. I don't know if you can tell. I actually found this at Marshall's, so that means this has been out for a while, most likely. This is what the wand looks like. So I really enjoy this mascara. So it just gets the job done. And yeah, I can't remember how much I bought this for at Marshall's, but much like the brow stick that I just showed y'all, it was cheap and it's effective and it does what I need it to do. Let's get into some primers. My top two. I got 2 primers in this list. 2 of these items are primers. Number 1, also affordable, Power Grip Primer from e.l.f. Cosmetics. I use like a primer for pores, primarily like under here and in my T-zone, and then the rest of my face I use this. This is cheap. I think it's like $7 or $8. I even put this on my face and stuck this to my face, and it stuck to my face. It probably won't do it now because it's gripping my foundation and stuff to my face. Definitely give this a try. I was like, I got it because a lot of people were hyping it up. It's worth the hype. My second primer is, this shouldn't be a shock, but the Secure the Blur Primer from One Size Beauty. Patrick, I don't know what you put in this. Like, obviously you can look at the ingredients if you want to bad enough, but I don't know particularly what you put in this. When I tell you, I have it on right now, and I have it on under my eyes and in my T-zone. That's where I mainly use it. You need like a pea size. You don't need a lot. When I tell you, I even get this close with the mirror and I can't see my pores. And you know, I follow Patrick Starr on TikTok, and I know he went to esthetician school, so I feel like that's added like another layer of him just knowing what he's doing with these beauty products. I have one foundation, and it's the foundation that I have on right now. It's the foundation I've been using for the last couple of months. This is the NARS Soft Matte Foundation. I believe that's the name of it, right? I use mine, or my shade name is Marquise's. I think that's how you say it. I feel like NARS is one of those safe brands when it comes to just everything. They have things for oily skin, they have things for people with drier skin. So this is for people with oily skin, the soft matte formula, and then they have like the, I think it's called Luminous or Radiant. I love this. Same thing as the Secure the Blur Primer. This is not cheap. I think this was like $50 something, but a little bit of this goes a long way. Next, my favorite blush. I'm sorry in advance because I don't think you can buy this anymore, but my favorite blush of the year, this has had me in a chokehold since I bought it. This is the blush in the shade name Desire. This is from Makeup Geek. If you don't know, Makeup Geek went out of business as far as like a makeup standpoint of selling like makeup products. They're switching to like a makeup school now, which is cool. If you know the whole story behind that and why Marlena is having to do that, then you know. If you know, you know, child. This has had me in a chokehold. I love this. I love this. And I feel like over 2020, like 2022, 2023 especially, I really have like grown in love with like wearing blush more. So this, love it. Next, concealer. So for concealer, this is the Turn Up the Base concealer, also from One Size Beauty. I also have this on under my eyes and other parts of my face. Like I said earlier in this video, I did that challenge, so I have concealer just everywhere. But I really love this. The thing that I really love about this, the applicator. It's like a doe foot applicator, and it comes to a point so I can like get this right up in the corner of my eye, and a little bit of this goes a long way too. I was able to dip this in here once and use concealer for my entire face. I only had to dip it in there once, which I've never really been able to do that with any other products. So to be able to do that with this is amazing, especially because this is more expensive. I love this concealer. I have mine in the shade Dark 1. So this is like my highlight shade that I use, and I love it. For highlighter, I have it on as well. Look at that glow. My skin just look wet. That's that Fenty. That's that Fenty Beauty. The Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighter. I finally got a chance to try one. I just, you know, I've been stuck in like Ulta and shopping at Walmart, and I finally treated myself and went to Sephora and got some stuff. And baby, this is what I use. This is in the shades Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule. I love both. So I take my highlighter brush and I just dip back and forth in both and apply. Love it. It's compact, it's cute, but the product, a little bit goes a long way. I feel like I'm saying that about all of the Sephora products that I have, but a little bit really goes a long way, which helps me feel better about the price point. Last two items. Powder. I was debating on whether or not to put the Huda Beauty Easy Bake powder in here, but I decided not to. Not because it's bad, but just off of the fact that I've recently got it. I recently bought it and I haven't had like a proper chance to really use it more than once. I've only used it once. A powder that I have, chokehold. A lot of my favorite products are from One Size Beauty. The products speak for itself. The products show up and show out. This is the setting powder. I forgot the exact name. This is the setting powder from One Size Beauty. I got mine in the shade Translucent. I know there's one named like Sweet Honey, which would be like more of a yellow tone. He has a pink powder. You mix these One Size products together, like the Secure the Blur, and then once I get my concealer and my foundation and my concealer on, and then I use this powder, helps to just blur those pores. You don't see anything. I look like a newborn baby. Yes. And this, I think this is like $30 too. I think this is $30 as well, but it's worth it. It is worth it. Just a heads up, One Size Beauty, their products are kind of hard to get your hands on sometimes, especially if you're going in person to Sephora like I did, and pretty much 80% of their stuff is sold out. So you may have to buy it online like I did. So just a heads up. Last but not least, my favorite setting spray of 2023. I don't think this comes as a shock to anybody, but On Till Dawn setting spray from One Size Beauty. One Size Beauty just swept 2023, I feel like. This is the On Till Dawn setting spray, mattifying waterproof setting spray. I love this setting spray. It does its job. It keeps my makeup intact for a long period of time. I just have one gripe with this, and I'm not the only one. There's a lot of people that have this issue with this setting spray. It does the job it's supposed to do. It's effective as hell. But the scent, the fragrance of this is so strong. I have to hold my breath whenever I use this. Like, I love the way it sprays out. It doesn't spray out like a regular setting spray where you have to like or even like the continuous ones. This is more of like a finer mist, and it doesn't like drench your face when you do it. It's kind of like if you've sprayed hairspray before, it's kind of like that same effect, just not as harsh. But if you can keep the same formula and get rid of the fragrance, it'd be perfect through and through. But that's my only gripe with it. I can't stand the fragrance. It's too damn strong. But yeah, those are my top 10 beauty products, makeup products for 2023. Like I said, I feel like One Size Beauty really just came through and swept the beauty industry with just their products, because like I said, their products show up and show out and speak for itself. If there's any products that I didn't mention, let me know down in the comments below. What have been your favorite makeup products, or even beauty products? It can be skincare too. What have been your favorite beauty products of 2023? I'm excited to see what comes out in 2024. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and I will see y'all in my next video.